Hi, my name is Heidi Toomey. I'm from Draper, Utah, and I'm an elementary educational major with a science emphasis. And I am taking this class because I want to learn about the different types of backgrounds people come from. I moved around a lot growing up, and the two major states that I lived in were California and Utah. In this picture, I am a bridesmaid at my aunt's wedding. This is one of my family photos. On the far left is my sister Amanda. She's 22 and she's attending BYU right now. In the bottom center is my little sister Hannah. She's only 7 years old and she's in second grade, I believe. And then my mom is in pink and she's in the middle and she's amazing. And then on the right is me flying in the air. This picture, even though it's a little blurry, this is me and my roommates. They're the best, and I love them a lot. When I took the test about the preferred thinking style, I had a tie of 36 on each concrete sequential and abstract sequential. So, take it as it is, I guess. If I had to pick one, I'd probably pick the concrete one, though. And yeah, thank you for watching this.